Matrices part 37. Discuss about the problems consistent, inconsistent, have a solution, consistent, no solution, it is called inconsistent. Previous class completed no solution and unique solution. Last model many solutions are infinity solutions. So given equations x plus y plus z equals to 1, 2x plus y plus z equals to 2, x plus 2y plus 2z equals to 1. Okay. Coefficient of matrix A 1 1 1, 2 1 1, 1 2 2. X equals to x y z, constant D 1 2 1. Okay. System of equations, form of Ax equals to D, then augment matrix. Consider augment matrix. What is the augment matrix? AD 1 1 1 1, 2 1 1 2, 1 2 2 1. Okay, augment matrix. Find it is convert into upper triangular matrix by using R1. R2 tends to R2 minus 2R1. R3 tends to R3 minus R1. 0. Convert into 0. 1 1 1 1. R2 tends to, what is the R2? R2 equals to 2 1 1 2, minus 2R1, minus 2R1, minus 2R1, minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2, 0 minus 1 minus 1 0. Okay, 0 minus 1 minus 1 0. R3 minus R1, 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 1, 2 minus 1 1, 1 minus 1 0. Next, applying R3 tends to R3 plus R2. Right. 1 1 1 1, 0 minus 1 minus 1 0, 0, plus 1 minus 1 0, plus 1 minus 1 0 0. Last row is 0. Determinant of A, det A equals to 0. So take a submatrix of A. Submatrix of A is D equals to 1 1 0 minus 1. Det equals to minus 1 is not equal to 0. It is non-singular. So rank of A is 2 by 2 is non-singular. Rank of A equal to 2. Find the determinant of AD. AD means last column. You take last column. AD, det AD also 0. And submatrix of AD. Submatrix of AD is any 2 by 2 matrix. Any 2 by 2. Okay, any 2 by 2. 1 1 minus 1 0. That is equal to 0 plus 1 is not equals 0. It is 2 by 2 is non-singular. 2 by 2 non-singular means rank of AD equals to 2. Rank of AD equals to 2. Right. Therefore, rank of A equals to rank of AD equals to 2 is less than 3. Is less than 3. So solutions have equations have many solutions are infinity solutions, then it is consistent. So find the many solutions, find many solutions from one implies similar equations x plus y plus z equals to 1. X plus y plus z equals to 1. Equation number 1, x is 0 minus y minus z equals to 0. Okay, so y, this implies y equals to minus z, or this implies y plus z equals to 0. Equation number 2. Okay, from 1 and 2 implies y plus z equals to 0, x plus 0 equals to 1. This implies x equals to 1. Let z equals to k. Substitute z equals to k in equation number 2. Y plus k equals to 0. Y equals to minus k. Therefore, infinity solutions are x equals to 1, y equals to minus k, z equal to k. Then k belongs to R. Many solutions. Okay, many solutions means rank of A equals to rank of AD is less than 3. Then equations have many solutions are infinity solutions. Rank of A is not equals to rank of AD, then it is called no solutions. That means it is inconsistent. No solutions means inconsistent, solutions means consistent. So infinity solutions also it is consistent, unique solution also it is consistent, unique solutions also consistent. Okay, it is consistent, therefore it is consistent. System of equations Ax equals to D. System of equations Ax equals to D. Here this implies both side multiply with A inverse into x, A inverse into Ax equals to A inverse into D. A inverse into A of x equals to A inverse into D. A inverse into A, that means I, x equals to A inverse into D. Right? X equals to A inverse into D. It is a inverse method. Okay, right. Cramer's method. System of equations Ax equals to, so a1x plus b1y plus c1z equals to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equals to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z equals to d3. Right, system of equations is the form of Ax equals to D. Ax equals to D. Here find the value of delta. Let delta means det A. Det A means A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Delta. And delta 1, find the value of delta 1. Delta 1 means, here first write as coefficient matrix a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 a3 b3 c3. X equals to x y z, d equals to d1 d2 d3. So first delta 1, first column is deleted, so write d1 d2 d3, b1 c1 b2 c2 b3 c3. And delta 2 equals to second column a1 a2 a3 d1 d2 d3 c1 c2 c3. Delta 3 equals to third column is deleted a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3 d1 d2 d3. Right, delta 1 delta 2 delta 3. Now solutions. X equals to delta 1 by delta, y equal to delta 2 by delta, z equals to delta 3 by delta. It is called a Cramer's method. It is called a Cramer's method, inverse matrix method and Cramer's method.